Cooking my FOs alive because they love me and I love them and we will be together forever. Placing them on the sheet. Oh, so cute. Into the oven, my darlings. Push. Set that time. Holy moly, here they are. Loki, these full body ones of Tiger Chi didn't work well. This one is so cute. It's gonna be on my ID. It's the apothecary. It's messy, sorry. Also, top coat time. Loki, the top coat made them look good. Here they are. I'll post their finished designs and chains. Also Toko and Chisaki bracelets too. Match her room soon. Speaking of, also cute. Guys, I think Chisaki would be disappointed in my nails. By Illy, guys.